We're gonna need a lunch paper bag for this recipe. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of kernels in here. And a 1/4 teaspoon of oil. Just drizzle it on top. We're going to fold this 3 times. Guys, don't put any tape or staples on this, okay? And don't be tempted to make more than the 2 tablespoons because your bag is gonna pop open and you'll get corn all over the place, okay? Let's go to the microwave. You need a microwave that's at least 900 watts for this, guys, okay? So we're gonna put this lying on the side like that, and we're gonna cook them for 3 minutes. Now we're going to base the fact that they're ready not on the time, but when we start hearing that they stop popping, okay? This stopped popping at 2 minutes in my microwave. So carefully open it. There's gonna be steam coming out. Add some salt. Look at that, perfectly popped popcorn. Perfectly popped. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.